One of the news outlets here in town is running an online poll asking whether or not he should be executed. There's no death penalty in New York. That's prejudicial. That's tainting a jury pool. It's inflammatory. So he might not be able to get a fair trial in Brooklyn because the community's rancor has been riled, has been stirred up so passionately against this defendant, it may not be possible for him.
You heard the comments that the defense lawyer just made that, there's a possibility of maybe looking for a different venue because they can get a fair trial in Brooklyn. What are your comments?
Well, first of all, these defense lawyers, their job and what they're interested in doing is defending this murderer. That's their job, and they'll do anything and everything in the world to create a situation that's good for their client. They're being paid to do that. But there is no reason to move it out of Brooklyn or out of New York. One thing about juries are very fair. We've learned that in so many situations. Juries listen to the evidence and they're fair. So there is absolutely no reason, and I think everyone would oppose that this case be moved anywhere else. I am hopeful that at the end of the day, it will not go to trial because the evidence is so overwhelming. The only thing the defense attorneys have, which they're still going to pursue even though, as of now, after Levi Aron being in Bellevue, they have decided, the psychiatrists, etc., that he is competent. They are still going to try to get him declared incompetent. I don't believe that's going to happen. And if that does not happen, I am hopeful that he will plead guilty and that will be the end of it. And we don't have to put the family and the community and everybody else through a trial. The evidence is overwhelming. The only shot they have is if the guy is declared mentally incompetent. I don't believe that will ever happen.
Now, do you feel Levi Aron, if he pleads not guilty again, that he's just trying to torment the Jewish community?
I don't think, look, he's working with his lawyers, and I think the not guilty as of now is only in terms of they're hoping that he will be declared incompetent. That's what they're going to fight for. I do not believe for a second that this case will go to trial because the evidence is so overwhelming and so detailed. There's a confession. So I don't believe it will go to trial. Their only hope, the defense lawyers, is that he's incompetent. And there is no reason to believe he's incompetent. So far, the experts have said he's competent, and whatever they're going to do at the end of the day, I don't believe it's going to make a difference.
Okay, thank you very much.